Hello and welcome back to our channel. This for you is another recipe to plan your diet, especially the breakfast when you are indulging on a weight loss journey. It is mainly for those of you who were requesting for quick energy yielding breakfast ideas so that you can do your day-to-day works without having to sacrifice your diet plans. This recipe is that of a porridge which is made with the most easily available ingredient. To begin with, I'm using some fresh blackberries. You can use any berries or alkaline fruits of your choice. The berries, as we know, are low in calories and has a low glycemic index, because of which they are highly recommended for weight loss recipes. They are indeed high in fiber, full of fluids, and rich in antioxidants, which is of course believed to reduce inflammation, hunger, and cravings. Here, the prep is simple. Just crush in the berries, and into this I'm going to add the almond milk. You can replace it with any other vegan milk of your choice. Now I'm adding a splash of honey for sweetness. Then comes our main ingredient, the rice flakes. This I'm using is a brown rice flakes, and they are the good alternatives to your regular oats or wheat recipes, mostly seen in the weight loss diet. These rice flakes are light, versatile, and more nutritious than many processed breakfast options. Here I'm using only 3 tablespoons of the rice flakes at a time. Also, I like to add a pinch of pink salt. That's it. Give a quick mix and then simply keep them to rest for a while so that the rice flakes absorbs the milk and they become soft. Now, if you're new to this channel, you can find few other breakfast recipes which we have already shared in this channel, which are especially for weight loss. Take a look at them and make plans for your next breakfast with new varieties and healthy ideas. Also, the whole playlist of our weight loss recipes are tagged in the description below. I hope it's gonna be of some help to you. Again, just before serving, don't forget to prep some fruits to add as toppings. As of now, here I'm using some sweet nectarines. These are again good sources of vitamins, minerals, and lot of antioxidants. It's always good to use seasonal and easily available fruits at hand. So this is how our rice porridge has turned out after about 20 to 30 minutes. It is now soft, creamy, and very palatable. Let's simply top it with the cut fruits, some almond shreddings, and so you're good to go. Serve this as a quick and a healthy breakfast. And also, don't forget to include regular physical activities in your daily schedules, because we all know a good diet and a regular physical activity will help you to easily lose the extra pounds. This breakfast is delicious and is packed with lots of nutrients and fiber, so it's gonna keep you full for a longer time. And at the same time, will provide you with a steady source of energy for a hectic day. As always, thank you for being with us and would love to see you soon in our next video.